Kaviva Service Center Khanapara Guwahati lingba ka jingkershan ka Ministry of Textile jong ka Sarkar Padang mat ka Office Development Commissioner for Handloom ha ka arpanyaw tarik Risau kala play ka Yaudi Jain District Handloom Expo Tanabana Hamadan NSCA paham sim nong po kani ka yaw kan ne hadu sansngi nadu bala play ka kani ka yaw pin inam bat bandi ki tiar shna kti kaloman penchlori ki brio ki baminot ha kani ka kam ha ka juk kapor ban penyat yawi ki mar ki mata ki bami na kani ka jaka Kinong Thain Jain bakansay na Meghalaya Assam bat Sikkim kilapin isa rongi gitiar gitar ki Jain kinap baki breu ki penmi na lagi jong ki jalla. Kajing penlong yi ketika yaw ditiar na kabenta kinong Thain Jain kalong kumshi benta ban ailang yi kinong Thain Jain bat nong shna jing shnakti ban pen Paidbah ikimar ki mata bat ru ban nang penyak yaw yi kimar jongki. Ya kani ka yaw ditiar la pli do ba Mirul Pons im MLA kanong po constituency ha kajing don lang udiling do zonal officer Directorate of Textile Niva Kalita, IIHT Guwahati, Deepika Ingdo, Zonal Officer Weaving, Shillong, Bat Matthew Makdo, Working President NSCA Nongpo, Vijay P. Sau Nerkar, Assistant Director WSC Guwahati, Babay Nat, Technical Superintendent Weavers Service Center Guwahati, Lembat Kiwei Kiriu Kmat na Nongpo.
Saan na din Pai?
Yes,
Sai.
Lagi yung niat ya.
They will stay here? They said they will stay here? Where you have one? Allow so to. Bhai, on ही मां. ये लोग तो खा खा भी.
ए बोला.
Sebarak kunci.
Come on. Oh, funny. Oh, I don't know that you are from Sikkim. Mana pun dikasih. Okay, from Sikkim. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलकर. कब आए आप? कल. कहाँ ठहरा है? You will arrange their stay. Or circuit house.
Especially Sri Meron Konfli, the Honorable MLA of Nongpo constituency, who gave his opportunity.
पूछ लेना भाई पूछ लेना
Came from a constituency where the maximum of the weavers they are here in Nongpo constituency, especially all the participants whom the stall has been allotted here today. Also all these women who are here, they're all people, friends, weavers from my area. And this kind of initiative, this kind of exhibition where the talent can be showcased, it is very important for each and every one of us, especially in Ribhoi, that we will be getting this kind of avenue to showcase our product. I'm happy to see, apart from the handloom, all the material that are here. I have seen few handicraft material also are here, and it is quite amazing to see that people from our region, from our district, we are not far behind from other part of our country. Ding nagtakadaw hagan ni kasngi gidap naging sukumen ka bakraw bani ya ki nong Thain gibi ki jum ndei ta ki nong Thain Jain ring dia Andre kinong Thain ye kini kitiar ke blaban mi ke Thain mula kini ki jeng penbu itenan decoration nagi ding nagi si prepare ki pla bat kum ta ter ki non lang hang ni but ngisngokmen bakum gani ka program lala ban organize hang ni hapo nongpo naga benta ban pen I kisap ki phong ki jong. It is an honor and privilege for on behalf of all the weavers of this particular area, to the government of Meghalaya, to the Department of Textile, where the Ratnong Tlu Diwan Umden as an headquarter has been regarded as an airy village, and it has been officially notified by the Governor of Meghalaya, Textile Department, on the 12th of February 2021. This is a fight, a long time fight. As a legislator from this particular area, we have been trying from time and again to get this recognition for the past 5 years. And I'm happy that the government of Meghalaya, I would like to place on record my sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister, to the Minister in charge textile during that time, all the officials who have been here through thick and thin with the weavers of Ribhoi, where they are in this position today because of the hard work of all the officers who have been there in this district since the inception of this department, who have been handhold all the weavers where they are today. And as Swalkushi has been regarded for Muga, and we are happy today that for Eri State also, Umden Diwan in Ratnong Tlu has been regarded as an Eri village officially. And now we are happy to learn that the department, they are under process where the GI tag is on the pipeline, where we'll see the light of the day very soon. We wish you all the best with the department. This is for the benefit of the weavers. This is for the benefit of all the farmer, the society, the SAG that we have, where this is a livelihood for each and every one of them, where they earn. And we have seen, I belong to the place where every second member of the family are the weavers. I came from that village, and myself also, I've been very close with them. And
the Rindia of Ribhoi district has been appreciated and accepted by all in every country. And I was one of the representatives to represent Meghalaya, taking the Rindia and showcasing in the G20 Leaders Summit, and the dignitaries coming from different foreign countries. They were so keen to learn the process of rearing the worm, the process of natural dyeing and the weaving. And after knowing the eco-friendly effect of the fiber, most of the dignitaries coming from various countries, they have bought our Rindia from Ribhoi district, and they have taken to their countries. And whoever in the second time they came back, they always came to the Meghalaya stall to take again the Rindia with the natural dyed colors. So I would appreciate our weavers, I would appreciate our artisans for taking so much pain to carry forward the legacy of handloom weaving and the rearing of eri silk yarn, which they have learned not by the department. They have learned from the ancestors in the family, in their own families, from their grandparents they have learned, and they are carrying forward and making the process of rearing yarn and weaving as a source of livelihood. And I would also take this opportunity to address to the youths of other districts to take up the handloom weaving, rearing of silkworms. We do rear silkworms of eri silk, mulberry and muga in Meghalaya. So as per the climatic condition of your area, I would request the youth of other parts of the state to take up as an entrepreneurs or as a farm to open or as a unit to open and be the entrepreneurs, a successful entrepreneurs. There are lots of opportunities given by our state government through Prime. You can carry on through even Prime. Now there is nothing to say that we don't have financial support. Banks are there. There are lots of schemes through bank with very minimal interest rate through the Ministry of Textiles. They have introduced the loan for the weavers, for the artisans, so that they can grow in the field of weaving and in the field of handicraft, so that they become owners of their own business. It's not that we are going to search for a job, but we have to be a job giver to others. So the educated youth at this time, I would like to address to you that I would request, because what we have seen in our entire service life, that our weavers, being not so educated, they become reluctant to take up the entrepreneurship. So those educated youths, I would appeal at this time, so that you come up and take up, at least for the marketing, at least for the manufacturing process, so that the weavers get connected. And the work, it is confined into our state, will now it has reached only for a limited items to the global world. But in future, we would like it to go much more higher than even the fashion. One or two fashion designers, they have taken to the fashion world also for the India.